friends, how are you guys doing today? I am Linda Green and I am a doTERRA wellness advocate, and I love sharing the oils and the benefits and all the things that we can do with them. It's pretty amazing to me how versatile they are and how they can help so many different things in our lives. So today I'm going to make a roller bottle that is kind of nicknamed FLOOT because of the oils that are in it, and you'll see why in just a minute when I put them together. This is for those times when you're feeling just a little bit under the weather, you're feeling kind of like you're dragging and you just need a boost of something. So these oils are really good for cleansing and purifying, and they're very, very helpful, especially this time of year when you're just feeling kind of cruddy. So what we're gonna do, I've got my roller bottle right here and my little funnel. We're gonna start with frankincense, which is great for so many things. It's great for a healthy inflammatory response because you don't want too much inflammation in your body. So we're gonna start with 10 drops. Perfect. And then we're going to use lemon. Lemon is very good also for cleansing, purifying. It's really great to have in your water, just a couple of drops in like a 16-ounce bottle of water. And you want to use metal, a stainless steel or glass. You don't want to use plastic because it will dissolve the plastic. So you don't want to be drinking water with plastic in it. So 10 drops of this as well. There you go. All right, then we're going to use 10 drops of doTERRA's OnGuard. This is the immune support blend. So when we use the OnGuard with all these other oils, it just really helps boost that immune system. So 10 drops of this as well. One more, there we go. So next we're going to use oregano. Oregano is really great for cleansing and purifying, but it's a hot oil, so you want to be careful not to get it on your fingers, get it on your face or in your eyes, because it's really, really strong. So we're going to use 5 drops of this, if it'll come out. There we go. All right. So the last one we're going to use is tea tree. This one also is super good for cleansing and all those things. Also, it's good for skin irritations and even cuts and things like that. It's like I said, it's purifying. So we're going to use 10 drops of this as well. There we go. And then of course we're going to top this bottle off just about to the neck of the bottle with doTERRA's fractionated coconut oil. So we're just gonna squeeze that in there. Just a bit more. There we go. Perfect. Then I'm going to get rid of that little funnel. I'm gonna put that roller top right on there with my little gadget that helps push those roller tops on and get them nicely seated so they're not going to come off. This one wants to go in crooked. I do not know why. Interesting. This bottle is a little bit fatter than the others. Interesting. That's kind of funny because I use these as well as the other ones quite often. And I made one of these roller bottles for my daughter the other day because she's really been feeling kind of cruddy and under the weather. So we're just going to shake that up, just stir it up just a little bit, just so it kind of gets mixed in there. Now I got to find the cap. I lose that almost every time. And then you might want to just kind of tip it a couple of times before you use it and put it on. And because it's so strong, I would just recommend putting this on the bottom of your feet just every day that you're feeling kind of cruddy. So this is the FLOOT recipe. So it's for immune support. And I've got my cute little labels that I made with the germs on it. So you kind of remember what it's for. Let me grab my bottle, just stick that right on there. And I've mentioned this before, sometimes these labels will kind of start peeling up, so it's a good idea to just put some packing tape around, on the edges. Even you can do it all the way around the bottle too. So this is a handy thing to have, like I said, especially this time of year when we're feeling yucky, or when we've been around a lot of people that might have been feeling under the weather. We just want to protect ourselves the best that we can and be proactive in doing those things. So if you've liked this and enjoyed the information, like it, share it, and subscribe. I really appreciate you watching. And it's so fun to help people understand the value and the many, many things that you can do with essential oils. And I've mentioned this before too, and you can see with my bottles, these are all the doTERRA brand. So I love the oils. You guys have a fantastic day. Bye.